If you're looking for 27-inch 4K dual mode gaming monitor, meet the Titan Army B2711B. For resolution, meron kang two options, 4K and Full HD. So sa 4K, 144Hz yung max refresh rate and 288Hz naman sa Full HD. Also, IPS panel with HDR400 kaya okay din for movies. In terms of color accuracy, accurate, ideal for gaming and video editing. Ang maganda dito, sRGB and DCI-P3 color gamut kaya magagamit mo talaga for work and entertainment. Design-wise, modern. Logo na lang yung nilagay nila dito and matibay yung stand even na made of plastic. During intense typing, medyo wobbly yung screen but hindi naman distracting. Sa ports, ito yung available and best compatible na siya with 4 buttons to control the OSD menu. Ito din yung control to switch from 4K to Full HD or vice versa. Additionally, pwede mong i-adjust yung height, i-tilt, swivel, and rotate. In my gaming experience, decent for fast-paced games yung Full HD resolution. And yes, may ghosting and backlight bleed but hindi naman ganun ka big deal. Medyo bitin lang sa part na adaptive sync supported lang siya. So mas better sana kung premium pre-sync or G-Sync compatible. Para naman sa 4K resolution, good for video editing, watching movies, and reading documents dahil sharp talaga yung text. Okay din for gaming, lalo na kung priority mo na mas detailed over high refresh rate.